Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your OPPO Enco Buds W12 with your MacBook. So first we have to just remove these earbuds from the case, and that's all we have to do. They will move to the pairing mode automatically. So right now on our MacBook we just have to go straight to the Bluetooth settings. So in my case I just have to activate them and then go to the Bluetooth. And from the nearby devices list I have to select the OPPO Enco Buds. So click on the connect button, and after a few seconds we will be connected. Just wait. Okay, if for some reason it doesn't work, I can recommend you to power off this Bluetooth settings. Wait for a few seconds, then turn them on back, and try to select this OPPO Enco Buds right now. As you can see right now we are connected. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.